On May 16th, 2021, Dr. Fauci said the vaccinated became, quote, a dead end for the virus, unquote. Dr. Makary, did science and data support that statement?
In April of 2021, we knew vaccines did not stop transmission.
Dr. Tan?
It stopped transmission in some individuals, but not 100% stopping.
Dr. Smelkinson?
I agree with what they both said. It didn't.
On May
100%.
19th, 2021, CDC Director Walensky said, and I quote, even if you were to get infected during post-vaccination, that you can't give it to anyone else, end quote. Dr. Makary, did science and data support that statement?
No.
Dr. Smelkinson?
No.
Dr. Tan?
You were less likely, but it's not 100%.
On March 29th, 2021, CDC Director Walensky said, quote, vaccinated people do not carry the virus. Don't get sick, unquote. Dr. Makary, did science and data support that statement?
It did not.
Dr. Smelkinson?
I mean, again, it may have appeared that way for a while, but the trials did not look at that.
Dr. Tan?
Yes, the trials didn't look at that, so the appearance was yes.
Finally, on June 21st, 2021, President Biden said, and I quote, if you're vaccinated, you're not going to be hospitalized, you're not going to be in the IC unit, and you're not going to die, end quote. Yes or no? Dr. Makary, did science and data support the president's statement?
We thought that early on, but they denied the overwhelming data that that was not true and made that statement after that data were clear.
Dr. Smelkinson?
That was around the time where breakthroughs were happening more rapidly, so I think that we could have seen that that was going to devolve into more reinfections.
Dr. Tan?
I think there was some support for that, but, you know, nothing is 100%. So I think science and data at that time was evolving.
Dr. Makary, by July 21st, 2021, were there vaccinated Americans that had caught COVID-19?
Absolutely.
Were there vaccinated Americans in the hospital for COVID-19?
Absolutely.
Were there vaccinated Americans that had died from COVID-19?
Absolutely.
Dr. Makary, was the president lying?
There was a lot of misinformation spread by public health officials that we had to close schools, that vaccinated immunity was much stronger than natural immunity, that the ideal dosing interval was 3 or 4 weeks, that we had to boost young people with no evidence to support it, on long COVID, on ignoring natural immunity. There was a lot of misinformation spread during the pandemic, a lot spread by the CDC.
And I think this is why there's a lack of trust in American public health. Our leaders were unwilling to speak the truth and unwilling to follow the facts. And that's a big deal. Mr. Chairman, I appreciate the topic of this hearing. This is a very important hearing. We've got a lot of work to do in America to regain the trust of the American people in public health. With that, I yield back.